And it's on a day that pubs reopen for indoor hospitality settings and also accommodations. You're going to be able to travel abroad into certain countries as well from today. And it's a week that cinemas reopen, but Cineworld, in fact, Cineworld is waiting until Wednesday. So people in Basildon, you have to wait till Wednesday to go to the cinema at the Festival Leisure Park. But all aside that, though, here on Gateway 97.8, it's Basildon and East Thurrock's brightest sound. It is from the heart of Eastgate. It's Aston Avery here. So there might not have been much to smile about over the last 12 months, but the pandemic's put Brits' grins front of mind, according to new research that's out today from the Oral Health Foundation and Align Technology. Whether it's been covered by a mask or reflected back at us on a video call, the positive display of emotion has had the opposite effect on many, leaving over a quarter of the nation feeling more self-conscious of their looks. Not only that, their smile as well. So the truth on how the pandemic has affected our smiles coinciding with National Smile Month. Here on the line right now is my guest at this time. I am joined by the president of the Oral Health Foundation, Dr. Ben Atkins, who joins me on the line. So Dr. Ben, pleasure to be speaking to you on Gateway today.
Hey, Aston, how are you?
I'm all right. Thank you, Dr. Ben. So the data that you yourselves at Oral Health Foundation and also Align Technology has found that men are more self-conscious of their smile in certain social situations than women. Did that surprise you in its research there?
Do you know what, Aston? The information that Invisalign and the Oral Health Foundation have produced is fascinating because men are usually the ones with worse teeth. We're lazy. We leave things to the last minute. That's just who we are. And often we're too busy until things have gone wrong. So we are working phenomenally as a Zoom now. I'm on a Zoom call with yourself as we speak. And I can look at your teeth, you look at mine, but you do look at the top corner and think, oh, look at my teeth there. They're a bit dark. So this happening. And then you start being a bit more self-conscious. So I think that self-consciousness has made people more aware of their mouths. And it's something I celebrate because it means we can be more aware. It's something we can get into control. So we can start thinking about prevention. We can start thinking about brush your teeth twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste and actually do it. Spend 2 minutes on your own time. Listen to Gateway FM whilst you're having 2 minutes. You like that? You like that? Two minutes there. And then use an adult fluoride toothpaste. Visit your dentist, contact your dentist, see what you can do to improve your smile. And also, let's cut out those sugary snacks. I've had lots of arguments with my kids over the last few months, and we're getting back on track now. Bless them. Poor children now.
Oh, indeed. It has to be said here, Dr. Ben. But despite being at home more, why do you think that people have become more self-conscious about their smile, especially as we're in National Smile Month from today?
National Smile Month is going from the next month till the 17th of June. We're more aware of our teeth and our smile because we've been hiding them. We've been wearing masks. We've all realized that when you smile, you're conveying you're a friendly, nice person. I've walked past people in the street I don't even know. I've walked past people in the street I do know and suddenly realized that I've not smiled at them. I've been a bit rude. I've not eye contact. I can't flick my eyebrows as much as you can make that smile. And I think people have suddenly been aware that the smile is so important. It conveys you're a nice person, it conveys you're happy to see someone, it gives you that confidence. So people are more aware, and the work that Invisalign have done with the foundation is brilliant. It really highlights, in my eyes, the need to save that set of teeth because you've only got one set for the rest of your life.
Oh, and obviously, so we mentioned technology. We mentioned we're on a Zoom call right now here, Dr. Ben. So what ways has technology helped? But also, there are some aspects that is not helped during the pandemic. So what's not helped during the pandemic in regards to technology?
For me, technology has been amazing for that ability to have that conversation now like we're having. So I can be relaxed. I'm the secret's out. I'm a bit scared and nervous coming to do a radio interview. But in my own home, I'm relaxed. It's all fine. You're just talking to a screen and it's really comfortable. So patients, when they come in to see me, are often thinking there's a door handle over there. I want to get out. I want to get out. And they'll agree to anything as long as they get to walk out of surgery. But however, if they're at their home address, they can ask questions that they wouldn't normally ask. They can give us a smile. We can talk to them, and we can do a lot of the preventative journey as an extra until they feel comfortable coming to see us. Now, the negative side of it, we're finding that patients are worried about getting back into the real world. We've got to go through that psychological boundary of going to somewhere we were maybe uncomfortable beforehand. But dentistry is the safest place to have work done because this is what we do. We prevent We've always worn masks. We've always worn wires. We wear gloves. We change our uniforms. It's who we are. And it's why we've been open over the majority of the pandemic. And it's why people are coming to see us. They're talking to us. And a lot of practices are back to normal now. They are seeing all their patient backlog and they're working hard. If you're worried about your teeth or worried about anything, give your practice a phone call. They're open. And it's something to celebrate.
And you mentioned about dental practitioners being reopened here, Dr. Ben, on this front here. So why is it important for consumers to engage with dental professionals rather than take advice from influencers on social media alone here, especially that we're now coming out of restrictions, even like today, as I mentioned right at the top here?
Yeah, it's really important because the mouth is a phenomenally complicated place. Dental practices make them seem easy and seem simple, but you only get one set of adult teeth and they have to be preserved potentially for 80, 100 years. You've got to look after them. And the damage that some of these influencers do on teeth is horrific, quite frankly. Dental practices are managed so carefully within the UK. It's absolutely brilliant. So taking an advice to get your teeth whiter, speak to your practice. There's a fantastic website done by the Oral Health Foundation and the British Orthodontic Society called Safe Brace. If you want straighter teeth, have a look on there, because when it comes down to it, they'll tell you the safe way to align your teeth, the safe way to give you that smile you want, and also know the limitations, because it's actually important to have really good oral hygiene, really good work with your teeth, work with your dental practice. You might be buying something online. It's actually more expensive online than it is at your dental practice. And the damage people can do with the wrong thing can be phenomenally expensive to do. So yeah, understand the influence. There's some amazing influencers out there who do such good work for promoting oral health, but understand who they are before you take their advice.
So, Dr. Ben, do you have any tips for doctors who have the patients to take good care of their smile, but also during the pandemic at the same time?
Yeah, this is the time to take control of your mouth. It's really important. Brush your teeth twice a day with an adult toothpaste. 2 minutes. That's all it takes. One end of the end. You can then, if your gums bleed a little bit, brush a little bit hard in those areas. Make sure they're really clean. Get rid of those sugary snacks. We've all overindulged over the past year. This is the time to come out and start thinking about it, and contact your dental practices to see when you're getting back to see them for normal treatment. And utmost, keep smiling.
So, Dr. Ben, if our listeners want to find out more information about National Smile Month and also want to find out more about what we've been discussing today, where can our listeners go and find out all the information?
There's 3 fantastic websites. One is dentalhealth.org, which is our website. Loads of simple patient-facing facts on there. Really simple website to use. Another one is the one is called safebrace.org, which is all about safely aligning your teeth. And there's also obviously the Invisalign website.
Well, I'd like to say there, Dr. Ben Atkins, President of the Oral Health Foundation. Thank you for joining me on Gateway 97.8 today to celebrate National Smile Month.
Thank you very much, sir.
Dr. Ben Atkins there, the president of the Oral Health Foundation there, chatting about how the tooth on how the pandemic has affected our smiles, especially throughout the National Smile Month, which is this month as well. And what it's seen as well is that there might not have been much to smile about over the last 12 months, but the pandemic has put grins front of mind, according to research from the Oral Health Foundation and Align Technology. And whether it's been covered by a mask or reflected back at us on a video call, the positive display of emotion has had the opposite effect on many, leaving over a quarter of the nation feeling more self-conscious of their looks and smile here. But video calls is a great reason as well. And they're one other reason for 1 in 10 adults who now feel more embarrassed about their smile, but the color of their teeth was the main issue of concern for a third, whereas quarter are more aware of teeth misalignment. Though, if you want more information there about what Dr. Ben has been discussing, you can head on over to dentalhealth.org. So dentalhealth.org, which is the Oral Health Foundation's website. You've got Align Technology, which is aligntech.com. So that's aligntech.org, or Save Brace as well, is where you can find information. Just type in Save Brace on your Google or Yahoo search engines. You can find out more there as well. Well, on the way shortly.